Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be showing you all how to get a perfect summer look for this perfect summer season. I know it's kind of very hot, so you want to go very natural and dewy on your skin. So this look is a very natural and dewy look which you can wear on everyday basis. To start off with, I'm doing some skincare routine which is a must-do thing before you do any kind of makeup look. I've quoted all the details related to the products in the boxes below. The first step of this look is using this magical product called concealer to hide all your imperfections. I'm using a concealer from MAC Cosmetics called Studio Finish Concealer in shade number NC45. I'm just giving a wash of it under my eyes to make my dark circles appear less dark. Try and drag this a little bit near your cheekbones so that the concealer doesn't look like a patch under your eyes. And I'm also using it around the mouth area to hide the discoloration and to make the skin look more and more even. I absolutely love this concealer from MAC Cosmetics as it just hides all my imperfections by using minimal product. Next, I'm using this foundation from Makeup Forever, which is called Ultra HD Foundation. I'm using this fluffy brush from Real Techniques. It's a beautiful brush, everybody got to buy it. I'm pouring just 2 drops of foundation upon it. I'm using minimal product because I want my base to look really natural and not too much made up and cakey. I love this HD foundation from Makeup Forever because it's like very lightweight and just feels like my own skin and not too much. It's an amazing foundation. Like, I love this product, and this is for the people who have oily skin as it controls oil but does not also make the skin completely matte. You normally get this product in Sephora outlets, so it's not like much out of reach from anybody of us. I have completely buffed out my foundation and now using this highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This one is in a cream form. I'm using these 2 light shades for highlighting. Firstly, I'm just tapping a little bit of it under my eyes because I want my natural eye makeup to pop out once it is done. I kind of love highlighting a lot because it kind of gives my face a high definition look. You must have seen in last video as well, I have done a lot of highlighting, but this time I'm kind of doing a natural based. So I'm blending it out with this beauty blender from PAC Cosmetics, which is a very good beauty blender available in the market, and you also get it on Amazon.com, so you really don't need to worry about it. How do you use it is you just have to damp it a little bit and start blending your makeup. It's very easy. And applying the same highlighter over the bridge of my nose, cupid, chin, and a little bit over the sides of my lips so that my lip color would pop out once I'm gonna do it. And yes, not to forget, I'm also doing it on the upper jawline so that I get a natural contoured look once I do the contouring with the powder. So it's gonna come later. I'm doing the blending with the same beauty blender to get a flawless look. So after my foundation, I'm using this pressed powder from MAC Cosmetics, which is called Select Sheer Pressed Powder in shade NC40. I love this. I really love this compact. So this is like a very lightweight pressed powder, and this will leave your skin with nice silky and natural matte finish. So why I love this product is because I can just keep retouching my makeup with this powder and my skin will just look fresh and glowy throughout the day. So this is like one of the best products. I would recommend every one of you all to buy it. I'm done with my base and now gonna do a little bit of contouring for my face. So I'm using the Studio Sculpt Refined Powder in shade number Dark Deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it under the hollows of my cheeks to make it appear a little thin and more sculpted. I know my face is a little round, so I need to do this contouring on everyday basis. I love contouring or bronzing my face because it gives a warmth to my face and it also makes my makeup look little more lively. And the Studio Sculpt Refining Powder is the best ones to give you a natural and flawless contouring effect. Next, I'm moving on to the blush and using this orange color from Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I love using orange blush because orange just connects with the warmth of the summer. And especially if you wish to have a summer look, then I would always recommend you to go ahead with some orange or some peach blush. So again, with a fluffy brush, I'm applying this on the apple of my cheekbones to give the life to my face, just like how the contouring did. Next, I'm using a highlighter from PAC Cosmetics in shade number 2. This is a very good baked highlighter I've come across lately. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it above the blush that I've used and blending it all over so that it doesn't look like a highlighter patch. Same thing I'm doing on the other side. This gives you like a very natural highlighting finish. I'm also applying it on the bridge of my nose because I want it to reflect in the pictures and it really gives you a very good effect. Coming over to the brows, I'm using this brow pencil from MAC called Stud. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it over the line of my brows, that is on top of my brows, and then just filling it all over till I'm happy with the product. I don't apply it from the starting of my brows because then it will look like very much overdone brows. So just trying to finish it fast for y'all. So there is a spoolie just behind your brow pencil. I'm just going to comb my brows with the same thing. Let's start with my eye makeup. So I'm using this paint pot from MAC Cosmetics called Laying Low. So this is one of the perfect natural eye base for any of your eye makeup that you want to do. So what I do is I'm just gonna apply it a little bit on my lids and blending it all over my eyelid area so that it just looks very natural. I personally use this paint pot on everyday basis if I want to keep my eye makeup very natural. Next, I'm going to brief you about the products to be used for my eye makeup. The first one is a dark brown matte eyeshadow in shade number 31 from PAC Cosmetics. The second one would be All That Glitters eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics to be used on my eyelid area, and I would be using the nude and black coal from Sephora. So here first I'm using this color from PAC Cosmetics, which is a dark brown matte eyeshadow in shade number 31 on the socket of my eyes. I have already done the other eye because I don't want it to spend so much time on showing you all both the eyes. Instead, I would just do one eye and show it to you all. I'm using a pencil brush to just do my outer waterline area. So whenever I do my eye makeup, I tend to mostly do the socket and the outer waterline of my eyes with the same color. Blending is the key, and that's what I'm going to do it. So with the same baked highlighter from PAC Cosmetics, I'm going to just highlight my inner corners of eyes because I want my eyes to pop out and not look much thinner or very small in pictures or not even in real. So this just gives a pop effect to your eyes. Next, here I'm using this eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics called All That Glitters. This is one of the favorite shade of mine, and I absolutely love this. I use it on everyday basis, I think so. So you can also use it with your fingers like how I'm applying here. And to just give a pop effect, I'm again using the same highlighter from PAC Cosmetics in shade number 2 in the middle of my eyelids. this is a color from PAC Cosmetics again. I recently bought it, and this is one of the must buy product that everybody of us should have. So I just skip it for a few seconds, like I'm counting here in front of you. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So it just curls my eyelashes like this. Next, I'm gonna use False Lashes Mascara from MAC Cosmetics again. So how I apply my mascara is I apply it just up for my above lashes and then from below, so that every lash, every strand of my lash is covered and coated with nice mascara on. And I love using lot of mascara because I love doll lashes. You can see in all my videos and all my pictures on Instagram. I love doll lashes. I absolutely love them. I'm also using it on the waterline lashes. And I'm using too much of it because I'm not gonna use any fake lashes. I want to fake my lashes with just using mascara, and this False Lashes is absolutely amazing product to make your lashes look fake. Next, I'm using this Sephora Coal in Black for the waterline. This I'm using on the upper waterline because I don't want to use an eyeliner. I just want to make this one look like an eyeliner and my eyes look more defined now. I'm using this nude pencil from Sephora again on the lower waterline of mine because I want to keep my eye makeup look more fresh and more natural and not too much made up again. So this makeup is all about being natural, being very flawless, and being just as you. So for my lips, I would be using this lip pencil from Pro Art Cosmetics in a coral shade. You can use any kind of a coral shade that you wish to have from any brand, but try using only lip pencils because they stay for long. I'm just going to line it all over my lips and fill it with the same lip pencil and not going to apply any lipstick over it. Here's the final result of my natural, dewy and lightweight makeup look for this summer season. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with my next video. Till then, have a great summer season and see you soon. Bye bye.